Hello friends, welcome back to the Great Family Kitchen. It's Christmas season and today we are going to make gingerbread cookies. Now let's start with making the cookies. We'll take a large bowl. In that we'll add the butter and the brown sugar. We'll use a spatula and just mix this butter and sugar. After this has mixed thoroughly, we'll add all the dry ingredients to this. We'll use the sieve. We'll add the flour, the salt, the cinnamon powder, ginger powder and the baking powder. Now we will sieve this. Now we will mix this dough. After this mixture has become crumbly, we will add the molasses now to it. So this is how it will look after getting mixed. Now keep the spatula aside. We'll use our hands and roll this into a dough. If you want, you can use a little bit of flour in case your dough has become more sticky. Form the dough in your hands. Just use little of flour. Do not use much. This is now formed. We'll put this in the fling paper. Now we'll put the dough in the fling paper and we will roll it from all the sides. Press the dough in such a fashion so that no air bubbles remain. We refrigerate this for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes of freezing the dough, now we'll unwrap this and roll it. In a bowl, we'll take a flour or maida because this will be useful to help us in rolling the dough. And now we'll start rolling this. We have rolled the dough now. Now we'll cut the different shapes. I'm using this gingerbread man. I got this from my grandma. I've got different molds, like you can use Christmas tree, you can use star, you can use stockings. Let's just have some fun. We'll now remove the excess. Now we'll lift this and put it into a lined tray. Look at how beautiful our cookies are looking. Now we'll preheat our oven at 180 degrees and we'll bake this for 10 minutes. Our cookies have now baked. You can see how beautiful they have come out. Now it's time to decorate these cookies. We will use royal icing for decorating these cookies. Royal icing is easy to make. You just require the white part of the egg and sugar as and much required to make it stiff. I'll put a description of the recipe in the written blog. This is the kind of consistency that a royal icing should have. It should not be too stiff. Now what we'll do is we'll divide this into small bowls and we'll put color into them. So we usually require white, red, green. These are the primary colors that we will be using. You can also use the other colors. All our colors are now ready. I've also kept white. We'll now use the piping bag. We'll use this kind of a tip. And you require a toothpick. So let's fill the cream into the piping bag and start decorating. Now I'll show you how to decorate one. And then you can use different colors to make dots inside the tree. Let's do the others too. So I've done the white bordering for the gingerbread man, the green one for the Christmas tree. I'll show you how I did this. So this is where your toothpick comes in handy. You put the color in a bottle and you pour some in the gap. And then with the help of the toothpick, you fix it to its corners. This is how it is filled. And after we have done with all, then we just give a slight tap with which it will become straight. So let me do the others also. For the Christmas tree, you can either put the colors like this, the way it is being put, or in case if you have sprinkler balls, then I'll show you how we use them. With your color, you just put a few dots on the Christmas tree, and then you pick up and you stick. Our gingerbread cookies are now ready. Hope you enjoyed the recipe. If you like the recipe, please do subscribe to our channel.